greatly helped us. It has increased our technical knowledge, the knowledge which we are having before, but we have basically not implemented it. Now we have implemented it and we are thorough with this.
TGMC has helped me to nurture my skills in creating applications. What we learn in curriculum, in engineering curriculum, is totally different from what we learn while creating a new project.
TGMC helped us in enhancing our skills on working with programming languages like Java, and also with the designing part like HTML and other CSS.
TGMC has helped me by providing a platform to get our knowledge to be implemented in various projects.
Yes, TGMC helped me very much because in earlier stage I was unable to do coding in a very good manner, but now I can do it in a very easy manner.
I guess I already know my mission is to become an IT engineer, and that's what I'm doing.
Actually, TGMC has provided me a path, and it has provided me a path to learn different tools, different technical tools which are basically free.
By developing themselves or working with the TGMC projects, they are getting an opportunity to work, first thing as I have stated earlier, live project, and so they are getting an idea about the current trends going on in the industries and so on.
In terms of the opportunities that our students have got as a result of TGMC, it is one of the most comprehensive industry connect programs that is available to academia today.
TGMC improves the soft skills and technical skills of the students because they have to compete with their peers in implementing their projects.
Well, TGMC has been a great opportunity for our students, mainly because it opens up their project creation skills, it opens up their innovation skills and so on.
For us, because what we are doing here today is culminating a contest that's broken all records in India so far, and maybe even in the world.
First of all, congratulations to all of you. I mean, every one of you is a winner already, right? So you guys have been absolutely fantastic. Recognition comes to year after year. For us, we want to be a part of building the information technology industry here in India. We want to be, we are IBM, we are in many different countries across the world, but we really want to be part of the India growth story, be a national asset for India. So I get the pleasure of starting this off.
What's important is to be aware, intelligent, be open-minded, and be in a state of continuous learning, as Pradeep talked about.
We don't want to produce plain vanilla students when they come out of college, not just with a plain vanilla BTech degree, but somebody who has a certification in some of the technologies, somebody who participates in a live project, somebody who participates in TGMC.
The next growth phase is going to come in, and all of us are investing towards it. I don't think it's only us.
As an organization, we can preempt students by taking the domain to them as a part of the learning.
So maybe you'll have to change a little bit on the curriculum side to have domain specific. Maybe it's insurance, or it can be banking.
Usage of cell phone by the Indian population is probably the maximum in terms of density.
experience for me to have industry exposure in my campus, industry kind of experience we are having through this TGMC and IBM academic initiatives.
It helps a lot thinking beyond the scope, thinking beyond the what is been given in the agenda.
First time 2007 we got first prize, top 1. Second 2008 consecutively we got 2 times the award, and now we are in the 5th time getting this top 30 colleges performance.
When it comes to bridging the gap, of course, we always expect from industry whenever we need us people to be groomed up on certain technologies. TGMC is one which helped us a lot.
Students require unique skills, a unique skill set is required. So integrated skills is very important aspect nowadays. Using TGMC is one parameter to achieve the excellence.
The most benefit is the knowledge building part. Being work on practical or live projects builds up their knowledge base also.
This is the base of what we call the smarter planet solution. Then you can apply it to any kind of industry. How do you take advantage of all those instrumentation and this interconnection and build this intelligent layer so we can really bring the world to become smarter? How do we look at a multi-field, to look at innovation from different angles?
I think this encourages more girls to participate in such an event because it is a biggest event as per.
Was Mission 10X. A lot needs to be done. I think NASSCOM is also doing something. We have industry electronic governance from Andhra Pradesh also doing a lot of stuff. But there's a lot of things needs to start happening. But as you as students and faculty, you need to keep your minds open and so that we are able to engage in a much more cohesive manner so that we are able to build a strong, great India for the future.
someone says this has been the most important turning point of our life. So fantastic again. So it really means so much to us that we are able to impact your lives in such a manner.